Guys, I got a new cat. Say hi, BBQ. Say hi, BBQ. BBQ, say hi. You want it? You want it? You want it? Oh, BBQ, BBQ. You guys want to see BBQ house I made for BBQ? There's food. Is the room. If I can fix it. Come here, BBQ. BBQ, you want to go in the room? There you go. BBQ. BBQ. Come in now. BBQ. Oh my God, Big Mama is on. Come here, BBQ, BBQ. Maybe. This is my kitty, BBQ.
I just want you to know that you're
Say hi.
the only place that's ever really felt like home for me. And I can't wait.
Baby, BBQ.
I love you very much.
I'm glad it felt like a home to you, Sharon. Well, you hurry home, then, all right? And I'm going to make sure that I lock you up.
They're my kitty, BBQ, everybody.
Bye, Big Mama.
Okay, Sharon, bye-bye.
You want to go inside your house? Do that for my fans?
If Big Mama's not here,
Do you?
we can leave, and then we have no case. Worry.
Do you? BBQ. Hello, Georgie. I purize the dancing clowns. Come here, BBQ. BBQ. Where you going? BBQ. You say hi to my fans? BBQ. Is the house area. Bye guys, have a great day.